Hey guys, we just wanted to hop on here and share with you a new tool that Canvas has put out. It is called Canvas Studio. Last year when we were doing virtual learning, you might remember the tool called Screencast-O-Matic. This has now kind of taken over that tool, and we love it because it actually is embedded into Canvas. So instead of having to upload and all of those things, it's just a nice, easy, simple click. Show you how to get there. We're actually already in the library, but I'm going to show you where to click. So you're going to come over to your taskbar and you're going to scroll down until you see this studio. It looks kind of like a Play TV screen with octopus arms coming out of it. Okay, so from here you're going to see any videos that you have created. But just to start a new recording, you're going to go to the top where it says record. Okay, you also have an add button. The add button will let you add a video from YouTube or any internet website. You can also kind of pause your video and add questions to prompt your students. You're going to notice two different options when you hit record in Studio. If you just need a webcam and you're just talking to your students, you're just going to click the webcam capture. And that will bring up this screen. And since we already have the webcam going, it's not going to show us here. So you would just press start recording. Okay, you have the option even to turn off your webcam and just kind of have a voiceover if you just wanted to talk to your students that way. I know a lot of us, though, really like to have our computer screen showing like we are right now. So Christian Horner said that Screencast-O-Matic is now integrated with the Canvas Studio option. So that's why when you pull this up, it's going to look just like Screencast-O-Matic did when we used it before. So instead of webcam capture, you're now going to press screen capture, and that gives you that option to just show your screen or to have you on the screen along with the screen that you're showing your students. Okay, so it might take just a second to upload that, and I'm wondering where we are currently using Screencast-O-Matic if that's what's going to happen here. Okay, so it won't let us do that since we are currently in Screencast-O-Matic, but when you use that screen capture option, it's going to pull it up just like you saw last year.
Show you how to embed the videos that you record or put into your library into your modules. So if you go to your dashboard or courses, you can go into the course that you would like to add the video to. And I'm just going to use a module that we used as an example when we were talking about City Labs. So here is our City Lab example page that you could use for an example for an agenda. So if you want to edit and add in the video, you just hit the edit button. And if you're wherever you want to put in the video, you just click. And up here you go to Tools, Apps, and your Canvas Studio may not show up. You may have to click the View All and then click Canvas Studio. But if you hit Canvas Studio, it's going to bring up the videos that you have put into your library. So if I wanted to put my testing 1, 2, 3 video, I just hit the video, and the embed option, display media tabs, that's just like if you want comments, if you want the diagnostics of the video to be there. I don't necessarily want that, so I just want to embed the video itself. So I will hit embed, and there's the video for my instructional video. And that's how you could, if you've already created a video or put it in your library, that's where you would find those. Now you can also, let's say I want to record a new video and I'm already here. You can click this button here and hit record, and it's going to bring up the option to record a video straight into that spot on your agenda or module, wherever you're wanting to put that video. Again, it's not going to show us because we're already recording a video. So you can either embed by going to Tools, Apps, Canvas Studio, or record straight into your module using the media button here.
So this will be Canvas Studio's step 1 video. We're going to add another video, just step 2, and in that video we'll go over how to edit your videos. I know in Screencast-O-Matic we had that truncate option where if you're like me, I goofed up so many times, so I would have to pause and edit and cut out chunks. So that's an option here too, and we'll show you how to add in those questions and add in YouTube videos or just videos from the internet to your video that you created in the next video. Okay guys, let us know if you have any questions. We will be happy to help you in any way we can.